Hey, homeowners and property managers, tired of constant roof leaks and roof repairs? Let's talk about a game changer, the lifetime ultimate pipe flashing. Hello, my name is Maurice from A1 Roofing's KangaRoof. Ordinary pipe flashes can break down over time, leaving your roof vulnerable, roof leaks, and water damage. But with the lifetime ultimate pipe flashing that we're able to offer you, it's built and crafted differently. It's crafted from a high-quality, UV-resistant material that won't crack or degrade even under extreme weather conditions. The innovative design creates a watertight seal around your roof's penetrations, preventing leaks for the life of your roofing system. So whether you're in need of a roof repair or a complete roof replacement, here at A1 Roofing's KangaRoof, we got you covered. We offer the lifetime ultimate pipe flashing as part of our best value and best packages. So whether you're fixing your roof because of a defective pipe boot or investing in a new roof, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to upgrade your roof's protection, we invite you to visit us at KangaRoof.com to learn more and actually get started today, and to also secure your property with the best in the business, because your roof deserves nothing but the best and nothing less. And thank you.